I've been sitting here for the last 10 minutes on my desk because whenever I think about this topic, it makes me really sad. Even before I was sitting here on this desk for 10 minutes, I was sitting half an hour on my bed just thinking. Um, I didn't want to talk about this topic, but every single time that I even think about it, it makes me absolutely freaking mutely sad. And the reason why that is because what I want to talk about today is potential. And this topic is the exact reason why I changed my entire career trajectory. Because I believe so many of us have so much untapped potential. And if only we work on ourselves, work with our time, and tap into that full potential of ourselves, then we can do and achieve anything it is that we want to. And that is the exact reason why I changed my career trajectory. I was like, if someone like me, who literally was from a village, couldn't even speak in English, goes ahead and in a few months cracks one of the toughest competitive exams in the country and gets a 99.64 in the English section. The same girl who couldn't even speak in English goes ahead and does it, and then goes ahead and works with top companies in the world and now works with Fortune 500 professionals in just, couple of years. If someone like me can do that, anybody can do it. There is science proving it. There is a field in science, neuroplasticity says that with repetition, with enough work on ourselves, we can rewire our brain to become anyone and achieve anything. Even science says it. But why this topic makes me sad is because I started with a lot of passion into this topic. I don't want to help people do that. And I have helped people do that, and people are getting research. But that percentage is very low than the number of people that I would have wanted to help. What makes me absolutely sad is not the reason that I can't work with them. They could go ahead and work with anyone. There's enough number of resources, people, mentors, books, everything out there. But what makes me sad is that people have this untapped potential, which they can do so much with if they just work on themselves and if they just, learn how to utilize their time. They have so much of untapped potential in their own lives. They can become anyone who they want to be. They can grow so much in their careers. But what makes me absolutely sad is that they don't realize it. And you can only open the doors, you can only help someone. But if someone is not willing to take that help, you can't do anything about it. So, what makes me sad is that a lot of your untapped potential stays untapped. And not only are you not tapping into your potential and not getting benefited from the things that you could have had if only you tapped into that potential. But another wrong thing that happens here is that you're suffering too. I see a lot of people who keep on suffering because they don't work on themselves. They're not ready to just work on their potential. They will blame the entire world or AI or how the market is or anyone and everyone, but never really take the chance to look inside. And even if they look inside, it's not from the perspective of that I want to work on it. It's always from the perspective of, oh, this is wrong with me, and I'll self doubt and I'll use that self doubt as an excuse to not do anything about my situation. So many of us just go through life like that. I have a lot of my friends that way. There was this particular friend of mine who said she's not happy with where she is in her career and she wants to do something about it. I invited her 3 times to work on it and she didn't come. And the reason that she would give is mere excuses. Now, I do not care, and it's not about me inviting her and she's not coming because I invited her. The point is, don't come to me, go anywhere, but at least do something about your situation. Why would you have the biggest pain point in your life and you realize that it is a problem, but why would you still sit with it? Why? Why would you still go on day after day after day and suffer from it? This page makes me absolutely sad, but I'm telling you what I'm feeling right now. Like my hand is shaking. I literally feel sad and fearful while talking about this because this is such a vulnerable topic even for me. The absolute sadness that you know somebody has a problem and you know they have solutions around them, but they would just not stop with the excuses and help themselves to use those solutions and come out of it. There are a number of solutions today. We have free knowledge, we have internet. But why would you just sit with your problems is something that just doesn't sit with me. And that's something absolutely sad about what I do. I came here with this passion that I want to help people, and I know I can do so much more, but people wouldn't be willing to help themselves. If you guys are hearing me here, and if you see the video later on, I want you to just do this, okay? Wherever it is that you're facing problems in your life, please don't sit with your problems. Please don't suffer year after year after year. Please just don't complain and crib about those. Do something about it. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ के लिए कुछ नहीं करोगे, nobody is going to do that. Science has proven that you can change the neuroplasticity of your brain and you can become whoever it is that you want to become. You can work on your skill to any level that you want to. We can change our brain to become an expert in a completely new, different field. But the only thing that makes me sad is in the piece of the puzzle that I'm not able to figure out right now is how do I make people aware of this? How do I make people understand the seriousness of this issue? Because I know some years down the line, 5 years down the line, a decade down the line, or a few decades down the line, you're gonna think about all of those things and you're gonna curse yourself, regret that I wish I did something better when I was younger. But I didn't, and now I just compare myself with other people. Now I just see other people having things that I wanted for myself, the kind of career position, work life balance, the kind of health or fitness. I see other people having it. So it's not just about not tapping into your potential, but it's also suffering because of not tapping into that potential. So if you're hearing me today and if you want to take only one thing out of it, I would just say this. Please just realize that you can do so much more with yourself and with your potential. And please just don't sit with problems. Go ahead and do something about it. That is the only thing that I want to talk about today. I have written a lot of things, but as soon as I think about it, to be very vulnerable here, I am feeling so sad. Like, I don't feel like saying anything because I'm like, why would people suffer? Why? Why would they not understand? If someone like me, a total villager, can go ahead and work in top companies, you are at much better position than where I was when I started. It's just about working on your potential. So many of us think, we are smart, and you would have seen it around yourself too. We are smart than a lot of people. We are more knowledgeable than a lot of people, but they're doing better than us. Why? Because आपके अंदर पोटेंशियल तो है, बट हैव यू टैप्ड इनटू दैट पोटेंशियल? उनके अंदर शायद आपसे कम पोटेंशियल है, आपसे कम नॉलेज है, बट दे हैव टैप्ड इनटू दैट पोटेंशियल एंड दे हैव यूटिलाइज्ड दैट नॉलेज एंड दे आर यूजिंग दैट नॉलेज टू ग्रो इन देयर लाइफ। गोल्स होना एक बात है, बट एक्चुअली उस पे जाके वर्क करना, समझना कि क्यों मैं उन गोल्स पे वर्क नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ या कर पा रही हूँ, एंड टू ओवरकम योर प्रॉब्लम्स, उसकी सीरियसनेस को समझना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। अदरवाइज वी कैन जस्ट pass our entire life like this, years and years and years, by just living an average and marginal life, and just at the end of all of those times just wondering and comparing ourselves with others and thinking, यार काश मैंने लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा कर लिया होता। बट द प्रॉब्लम विद दैट इज regret just puts you in a very bad place. You can't do anything about it. You can't go back and change things. अगर आप अपना एक बेटर पोटेंशियल जी सकते हो, ठीक है? अगर आप एक बेटर अ, हम लोग सब ये चीज़ समझते हैं ना कि हम जैसे हैं उससे बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में। यू गाइज़ विल एग्री एज़ वेल, राइट? यश, राजीव, अनिमेश, यू गाइज़ वुड एग्री, राइट? कि हम बिलीव करते हैं दैट वी कैन डू सो मच बेटर देन हाउ वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ। बट व्हाई डू वी स्टिल नॉट टैप इनटू दैट पोटेंशियल? क्योंकि विश सिर्फ विश होने से कुछ नहीं होता, यू हैव टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स दैट, और हम वो कभी करते ही नहीं है बिकॉज वी नेवर रियलाइज द सीरियसनेस ऑफ इट, कि हमारी हैप्पीनेस उस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करती है, हमारी लाइफ उस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करती है, हमारे करियर उस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करता है, करियर ग्रोथ उस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करती है। द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इज क्रिबिंग अबाउट थिंग्स, बट आई if you're listening to me today, I want you to be the person who doesn't crib, but who actually asks, what do I need to do about this problem? And who then goes ahead and works on their problem, taps into their potential, utilizes their time fully, and then goes ahead and solves those problems and achieve those goals. I want you to become that person. Okay? So that's the topic for today. I know काफ़ी ज़्यादा खिंच गया है, but I don't want to be in this situation when I'm feeling like this, but this topic absolutely makes me sad. I just wish I could see people, I could show people what I feel they can do in their lives. I wish I could just show that mirror to them, show that image to them, and they also could see the potential in themselves that I see in them. So, yeah, you would be the most knowledgeable person ever. You may be the smartest person ever, or you may believe that you can do so much in life. But unless you are actually realizing the seriousness of it and you're going and doing something about it, nothing is going to happen. And I want you to go ahead and do that. एंड ये सब चीज़ें आई नो आप समझते हो, बट रोकती क्या हैं आपको चीज़ें? देयर इज़ दिस फिनोमिनन कॉल्ड एज़ डनिंग-क्रूगर इफ़ेक्ट। सो डनिंग-क्रूगर इफ़ेक्ट कहता है कि स्टार्टिंग में जब हम कुछ भी स्टार्ट कर रहे होते हैं, कोई भी गोल पे वर्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी एक्चुअली टेंड टू बिलीव or estimate our ability less than it is. So everybody tends to underestimate their ability at the start. इसीलिए आप सेल्फ डाउट भी फील करते हो when you are on the path of improving. ठीक है? But don't just, you know, sit with perfectionism and see मेरे को तो perfect ही करनी थी कोई चीज़ और मैं नहीं कर पाया या कर पाई. Stick to your plans. Start small, doesn't matter. Intensity doesn't matter. But what matters is repetition, showing up for yourself. ठीक है? बहुत सारे लोग ये बात समझते तो हैं, but why do they stay stuck? Because couple of reasons, and I want you to work on those reasons. First, you always keep on waiting to feel ready, but you have to realize that ready is not a feeling. It's never gonna come. Ready is a decision, and you are ready in the moment you decide to tell yourself you are ready. If you're feeling मैं मेरे को अभी ready feel नहीं हो रहा, मैं कभी और करूँगी या करूँगा, it's never gonna come, because ready is not a feeling, it's a decision. Then second चीज़, लोग ज़्यादातर जो अपने आप को बोलते हैं, I know a lot of people who are stuck in these पेनफुली हेक्टिक जॉब्स जो पूरी ज़िंदगी उनकी खा के बैठी है, एंड दे वुड स्टिल नॉट गो अहेड एंड फिगर आउट अदर अपॉर्च्युनिटीज़ जहाँ पे उनको वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस या बेटर पे मिल सकता है। दे वुड नॉट वर्क ऑन इट। व्हाई? बिकॉज़ दे वुड से आई डोंट हैव टाइम। But I'm telling you, if you really want to and if you really want to look into your day, the problem is never time. The problem is priorities. The problem is how you use it. And if you start using it well, you will find out better, you know, opportunities. You will find out time to target those opportunities. So just don't suffer with your life. Just do something, do anything. But please tap into the potential that you that God has already given you, but you're not tapping into. अपने आप पे वर्क करो। 2 ही तरीके से आप उस पोटेंशियल पे टैप कर सकते हो। फर्स्ट यू कैन वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड सेकंड यू कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर टाइम। अगर टाइम नहीं है तो लर्न करो कैसे निकालना है, कैसे स्क्वीज़ आउट करना है। हर किसी के पास 24 आवर्स ही हैं। जो लोग 10-10 चीज़ें कर रहे हैं उनके पास भी 24 आवर्स हैं। द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू एंड दैट पर्सन इज़ दैट दे नो सम थिंग्स दैट यू डोंट। सो if you don't have time, you believe that, then learn how to actually take out that time. और अगर आपके पास टाइम है और आप उसको यूटिलाइज नहीं कर रहे हो, then learn what are the reasons because of which I'm not able to utilize that time, and learn how you can actually go ahead and utilize it. Because हमारी एग्जिस्टेंस ही टाइम से होती है। मतलब कोई अगर जिया है तो उसको हम टाइम से टाइम तक, दिस ईयर टू दिस ईयर इज देयर एग्जिस्टेंस, राइट? हम एग्जिस्ट ही टाइम के थ्रू करते हैं। व्हाटएवर विशेस दैट यू हैव इन योर माइंड, व्हाटएवर गोल यू हैव इन योर माइंड, दैट स्टिल विशेस अनलेस यू एक्चुअली अटैच टाइम टू इट एंड ब्रिंग इट टू रियलिटी। अपनी विशेस को आप रियलिटी में टाइम के थ्रू ही लाते हो। उस चीज़ को टाइम देके कि इस टाइम से इस टाइम पे आई हैव टू वर्क। सो most people stay stuck because they say I don't have
Charge
time,
on battery below 25%.
because they tell themselves that I don't have time. But everybody has the same 24 hours. Maybe you are not seeing something that other people are. And please, if I can give one thing to you, the problem is never with time. I have worked with so many people on this exact topic. I've written an entire book about it. And let me tell you, the problem is never time. The problem is always how we use it. Third reason why people stay stuck, or you might stay stuck, is because you overthink instead of acting. और इस चक्कर में पता है क्या होता है? कितनी बार कोई चीज़ इतना सा एफर्ट ले सकती है करने के लिए, बट आप उसको ओवरथिंक करके, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करके इतना ज़्यादा एफर्ट वेस्ट कर देते हो। दैट थिंग वुड हैव टेकन यू दिस मच एफर्ट एंड टाइम, बट यू एंड अप वेस्टिंग दिस मच एफर्ट एंड टाइम जस्ट टू अवॉइड दिस टास्क, or just to avoid working on this thing. To know the reasons why you're overthinking and start acting. जितने भी लोग consistent actions लेते हैं वो इसलिए नहीं लेते because they're not afraid. I am afraid right now when I'm talking to you. I'm telling you, like, I feel that fear and sadness in my heart because I know I'm not at my best energy when I'm talking to you right now. But I'm still going ahead and having this talk with you. So instead of overthinking, get into the habit of acting and taking action. And another problem that we are facing today is a lot of us feel exhausted. And that is not happening because we have too much to do. That is happening because we are not doing enough of things that energizes us. आप कुछ काम कर सकते हो and instead of feeling tired, you can feel more energetic. That is something that I feel after my sessions or workshops मैं कुछ भी देती हूँ, because it is something that gives me joy. After I do it, I feel even more energetic than I was before. तो अगर आपको भी exhausted feel होता है किसी चीज़ को लेके, maybe those are not your true goals. Maybe those are your goals just because you think society expects you to have them and that will be a good standard. So the exhaustion doesn't happen, the demotivation doesn't happen because you lack something or you're doing too much, that exhaustion may happen because you're not doing enough of what you want to do, whether it's about hobbies, whether it's about your own life. And last thing that I want to end this session today with is you are not lazy. Laziness is not a personality trait, it's a habit. Ask yourself, are you lazy while doing the things that you like? For example, if you like eating, if you're watching Netflix, are you lazy while doing that? Do you want to sleep or do you want to indulge in those? No, right? You go ahead and actually spend time in that. So you're not lazy, you're just disconnected from what it is that truly energizes you, what it is that truly matters to you. So वो connection बनाओ चीज़ों से, पूछो अपने आप से that what are the things that I'm truly interested in doing and trying, and go ahead and do that. You are not lazy, you are just probably disorganized, you are probably you do not have the clarity what it is that you want to work on. So once you start doing that and your energy returns, once you give yourself that clarity, you will start to feel much better. So that was the talk for today. I still feel sad, and I know today's session was a lot more disorganized, but it's a topic that is very close to my heart and something just that I just wanted to share with you. I know बहुत सारा शायद आपके ऊपर से भी गया हो, I don't know that. But I just really wanted to talk about this. I am also building this ability to be more real and to be able to more communicate clearly with you guys when I'm on camera. But the last thing that I want you to understand is if you truly believe that you can do so much better than how you're doing right now, please ask yourself what it is that's stopping me. Take that problem seriously and do something about it. There are enough resources and everything to work on those. So please just don't waste your potential, because I have talked to people in 40s and 50s and their biggest regret is I wish I did better. I don't want you to live with that regret or face that regret going forward, because regret is the worst thing ever, because it makes you feel bad but you can't do anything about it. You can't go back in time and do anything. So that was the talk for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with something absolutely not sad as this topic was today. And yep, if you have any questions, something um that you realized from today's session, something that clicked, something that gave you clarity, please mention it in the comments. It's really good to see that there are people who are connecting with what I'm saying. And if you have any doubts or any points that you want to discuss, you can mention those in comments as well. And as always, please like, subscribe if you liked it, and follow, because I come up with a lot of these interesting topics to talk about. Not the sad ones like today, but a lot more useful topics. Today's was a useful topic as well, but a lot more important yet energetic topics. So we'll be talking about a lot more of those going forward, talking about personal growth, how we can make you better, how we can help you utilize time better, how we can make you and help you improve in your own life and career. So we'll be talking about all of those topics, and I'm going to see you tomorrow in another live session. So bye bye.